It's the first exhibition under the new name, Kamen Science Center. Students packed the Sports 360 exhibit. Kids get a chance to have fun with sports like hockey, soccer, and football, and learn science at the same time. Sports 360, it's where curiosity meets competition. Students from Pittsburgh Schiller STEAM Academy got a sneak peek into Kamen Science Center's newest and largest exhibition that has 9,500 square feet of interactive learning.
It's cool. I like to know the background of how sports are created and stuff. The way you hit the ball has an effect on where it goes in the stadium.
The exhibit features 25 hands-on stations inspired by football, baseball, hockey, soccer, and Olympic sports. There are stations for cheerleaders, nutritionists, and even logo creators.
Sports is also loaded with science, and so what we're hoping is that people will see things like the physics behind sports and the anatomy and physiology characteristics of sports and the nutritional aspects of sports. So there's science everywhere in sports.
One student says she's not an athlete but loves science, and Sports 360 broadened her mind, making the link between the two worlds.
So I think it's very interesting to see how we're able to connect education and science, even though sometimes they seem like they're the complete opposite.
The school counselor says this trip is not just about learning science skills and life skills like CPR, but the trip helps kids plan for their futures as well.
We're also trying to incorporate college and career readiness, and so there's as I'm looking, I'm going, that's a career, that's a career, that's a career, and I feel like our kids really need that exposure.
Now students were also learning physics through baseball. The exhibit opens on Saturday. Covering Allegheny County on the North Shore, Chandy Chapman, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.